Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicking with Corey. Today on Kicking with Corey, do you remember the Smokey and the Bandit? I saw a couple videos this morning of when the Bandit was getting chased by the cop, and they went into this restaurant and the cop ordered a Diablo Sandwich and a Dr. Pepper. That got me thinking. Looked delicious. So I did a little research, and it is either a sloppy Joe or a pulled pork or a pulled chicken sandwich. Today we're going to do Diablo Sloppy Joe. That's going to be our Smokey and the Bandit dish. Alright, let's get her going. Let's drink some Dr. Pepper and have some Diablo sandwiches. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stay tuned for deliciousness. Alright, our ingredients today, our list is immense, ladies and gentlemen, so stick with me. Watch the video. I don't even know the amounts of stuff I'm putting in here today, but here are the starting ingredients. Worcestershire sauce, some Frank's Red Hot, 2 jalapenos, some Parmesan, some green onions. I got some Italian sausage back here, and I also got a pound of 85% lean ground beef. We got some French's mustard. We got some sweet Thai chili sauce back here. We got some Hunt's tomato ketchup back here. We got yellow bell, a red bell, a green bell, and an onion down here. We got a loaf of rustic artisan sourdough. And we got some cheeses here. Hey, we got a cool Kansas City cheese knife. Yeah, you know they won the Super Bowl, right? Anyway, we got this, which is a cool thing Jen got me. It's a 3-pack of different kinds of pepper flakes. We're going to use the smoky kind. Use what you wish. You can obviously just add your regular chili flakes to it. Alright, let's get this cook going. Pay attention. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So let's go. Alright, getting ready to fire up Chop-O-Matic today. He's going to do 1 white onion, a half of each of the bell peppers, a red, green, and a yellow, 1 jalapeno, which I've already sliced in half and took the seeds and guts out, 5 cloves of garlic, and a couple of sprigs of green onion. It's not going to be perfect. We're making sloppy joes. Don't think it has to be perfect, because it doesn't have to be perfect. Hey, let's fire up Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, time to get this bad boy cooking. We're just going to hit it just with a little bit of olive oil. I got this over medium height. It's going to sizzle a little bit. Our pound of ground beef will go in, like so. And then our pound of Italian sausage. You get hot if you want. That would be great. Alright, we're going to get this going. I'm going to go wash my meaty hands quick, and we'll be back. Alright, all we're doing right now is we are taking our meat and we are getting it into a minced form, breaking it down, and cooking it. Next step will be, I'll keep pounding away at that. If you got one of those cool things, go ahead and use it. And we're going to drain the fat off, and we'll bring you back to the next step. Alright, our meat mixture of ground beef and Italian sausage is draining at the moment. We'll hit this with a little bit of olive oil and go around. We will add our mixture of peppers, onions, jalapeno to this mix, like so. Put that in there. Get it going. And for this little mix right here, we're going to add a little bit of salt. That's a decent amount of salt. Get that salt rolling on in there, and fresh cracked pepper. Alright, let's get this going. We'll introduce the meat back to it next and start adding our flavors. Alright, we got our vegetables going for our Diablo Sloppy Joe, Smokey Bandit style. Alright, we got all this going. We got our garlic. Let's get that into the mix there. Oh yeah, get that going around in there. Heck yeah. Look at all that deliciousness. Get our ground meat mixture back in there. 1 pound of Italian sausage to 1 pound of ground beef, your choice. And I just throw some off the edge there, so let's get that out of the way. right, get that incorporated. Things that love each other, we'll be back. As you can see, our onions and peppers are starting to, you know, wilt a little bit, go down the thing. Let's add, let's start with 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Get that going into our mix there. Help to glaze the bottom of our pan there a little bit. Oh yeah, looking good. We got our chili flakes. Mine are smoky kind. You use what you wish. We're gonna use a tablespoon, and we're gonna get it all around in there. This is gonna start getting spicy now. All right, all good. Just lower the heat just a smidge. It's a little too hot right now. And just add some ketchup. Let's go with, you're all over there. It's probably 1 cup. Go with for 2 cups here. It's probably 1.5 cups there. Frank's Red Hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gloves of it. French's mustard. Use grape upon if you wish. Let's go with this. Give that a good 1/2 cup. Alright, give this a toss-a-brew, as Jerry would say over there at BT Barbecue. Let's do her out here. Alright, it's starting to look good. What we will do is let this roll for a minute, and we'll check the spices and seasonings. Alright, as far as flavors go, we're looking pretty good. Just add a little sweetness to it because it is a little spicy. So, 1/4 cup of our sweet Thai chili, and then we will add a cup of water. And now it's going to come up to a boil, and we're just going to let this simmer. Simmer and simmer down. Probably a good 5-10 minutes. Alright, mix it up, let her simmer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are in 12 to 15 minutes in, and look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is sloppy Joe Diablo deliciousness right there. Alright, let's do a little fancy bread thing. Let's get this plated up. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. What I got here, 2 pieces of that sourdough bread we had that I cut the long ways, and I did heavily butter this side, as you can see. And what we're going to do is add some fresh cracked pepper to that butter right there. We're going to take our Parmesan, our shredded Parmesan cheese that we got right here. And I learned this trick from a friend of mine's wife, Travis Evans' wife, Sarah. So we're going to try that. So we're going to put the cheese on the butter side, like so. Oh yeah. And we're going to press that in. So we're going to make a nice Parmesan crust on this, hopefully, if this all works out to my plan. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to flip that over. So that's going to get flipped over. And I will just leave that one for a sec so we can dress this side up. So we'll put our Sloppy Joe mixture on that, or Diablo, or Smokey the Bandit Sloppy Joe mixture. It's going to go right on there, like so. Don't worry if it falls off. It's Sloppy Joe's. It's supposed to be sloppy, right? That's in the namesake. Right, like so. Alright, oh, looking good. Right, we'll take our other piece of our sourdough that's topped with Parmesan cheese. Put this on top. Just give it a little bit of a smoosh. Alright, we're going to wait a minute. It's over medium-low heat. We'll give her a flip, see how we did. I decided to do something a little bit different. We had all that cheese. Let's use some more cheese here. So we do got our top bun on here. Let's take this off while we're here. And let's add 3 slices of provolone to that. We'll put it back like so. Alright. I'm done playing. we'll flip it next. All right, this down here, a good, I don't know, 4 minutes is a good time to flip it. Let's see what we got over here on the other side here. Flip her over. Look at that Parmesan crust we got on top of that salmon. All right, turn that heat down because that other side, because we switched to a hotter zone in our pan. Turn that down. We're gonna give that another probably a minute, minute and a half, and we are gonna take this deliciousness and plate it up, guys. Now there's a sloppy Joe Diablo that the Smokey Bandit would love. You know, he didn't eat it. He got cheeseburgers, but it is what it is. All right, we are back, and here's my take on the Smokey and the Bandit Diablo sandwich. You know, it's definitely not even close, not even neighborhood. This is a spicy, homemade sloppy Joe that you can make at home. All right, let's cut into this bad boy. Let's go right down the middle there. See what we got going on here. And I'll tell you what. Look at that, folks. Nice crunchy Parmesan crust. It looks delicious. All right, we did it. We went through the motions to do the best we could for Smokey the Bandit there. Oh yeah, that's right. We need to get us a nice Dr. Pepper here. That's what's supposed to be served with it. All right, we got our Diablo Sandwich, my way, and we got our Dr. Pepper. We'll see you next week, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube.